Hello, welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. In this episode we're going to take a look at another Majorette Deluxe car from the early 90s. I first show you the back. Here's the cars that were in that set or series. Jaguar, Ferrari, Porsche, and then Lamborghini, Ferrari, Rolls-Royce. So got some info on the base here. And this is the car we're going to look at. It's the Rolls-Royce, sorry. So let's liberate it from its plastic prison. Somebody put some cardboard underneath it. I don't know why that is. Maybe there's another car in there. No, I don't think so. That would be great. First time ever I see this little book in there. So let's take a look. Okay. You can freeze the frame if you want to read that. All kinds of languages. So here's the description of the F40 and the Jaguar. Here's the Porsche. And the Lamborghini. Sorry for the glare, but otherwise it's too dark in here. Yeah, this is better actually. And then this is the one we're going to take a look at in this episode. So let's pull this one out. So this just pulls off, and then you got this mirror effect. Hello there. So you can also look at the back of the car, which is identical to the front, so it doesn't make much sense, but anyways. And here it is. Somebody put a sticker on that. Never mind. Rolls-Royce Corniche 2, it says on the metal base. Rubber tires, authentic wheels. First, let's give it a spin, and then afterwards we'll look at the opening doors and the interior. License plate. Got the lensed headlights, yes. Kind of orange lensed headlights. It's got the flying lady on the ornament on the front grille, also called the Spirit of Ecstasy. And the lensed taillights also in kind of an orange. Big exhaust pipes, license plate, and the handle for the boot or trunk. Oops, sorry for the finger. So here you see the opening doors with the detailed door cards. We got a detailed dashboard. Brown leather seats. Got some the ventilation vents and the radio and stuff detailed. The gauges behind the steering wheel. So all in all, very detailed. Now this is a plastic body though, but think it looks really good. It's really shiny. So, look from the front with the doors open. Very nice one. Glad to have found it for a reasonable price. This also came from the Namak event. Seller had it for a while. I had seen it there before, so he agreed to let me have it for half the price. So that's it for this video. I thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.